What's the big deal about inflation benefits and your long-term health care policy? Well, look, the cost of everything is increasing, and the cost of assistance with activities of daily living is no exception. In fact, some facilities have had to offer premium wages and benefits to keep staff if they can find staff. Who bears the cost of those increased charges, you or the carrier? What a great question. And the question is, how can inflation benefits help you and protect you? Well, inflation benefits come in two versions. One is as your benefit increases, the premium increases. This is the one that hits your pocketbook. The other one is an annual benefit increase that doesn't make your premium go up for that year. Obviously, you want type 2. But what's important with type 2 is what the starting daily benefit is and the policy limit benefit. So how is this inflation benefit calculated and how does it impact your coverage? So let's think of this in the terms of a basement and a ceiling. The basement is the starting daily benefit, and the base amount of your benefit will potentially increase, and it will be based on what inflation factor you pick. So let's say that the daily benefit was $550 per day, and you have an annual inflation factor of 10%. In year 2, the daily benefit will be $550. Now, the ceiling is just that. It's the max, the maximum total dollars the policy will pay out. It can be any number that you pick. So let's say it's a cool $1 million. You want that ceiling to grow as the daily benefit increases. And if you don't, you might end up underwater because the maximum amount of your policy is capped. Now, if you can afford it, you want the policy limit to increase by an inflation factor to increase that ceiling so that you have like a new addition on top of your house. Or in other terms, you want the benefit boat to float when the cost of care rises and you don't want to be capsized. Now, don't forget that this inflation benefit can be called an inflation protection or benefit increases or benefit increase options. Regardless of what it's called, you need to consider how to make your long-term care benefits grow to keep pace with the costs of care. If you have any questions about your long-term care benefits, call us today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. We can help you regardless of where you live in the United States.